Hey there, did you know that 90% of operations teams in the US spend over 15 minutes manually entering data from a single bill of lading? That's right, I'm Margot from Docsumo. In this video, we're going to explore how Document AI can solve data extraction complexities in bills of lading, and it's awesome. Docsumo's Document AI is designed to maximize your transportation and warehouse workflow efficiency at lightning speed. All right, let's jump right in and see how it streamlines bills of lading processing. To get started, simply click Add Document Type, then select Bill of Lading. Now, upload a few sample documents to train the machine learning model on the dataset. This helps our OCR software become well-trained on the template in order to extract your data more accurately. Quick story for you. One of our warehouse clients told us how inaccurate data mapping from bills of lading led to a massive capital loss. Massive. For instance, an item meant for freezer storage ended up in a cooler instead. The result? An alarming $25 to $30 loss per item in stock. Ouch! This is exactly the kind of problem that we are here to solve. So as you can see, our AI-powered OCR solution has processed these documents within seconds. Now, you can review the extracted data and validate the fields. On the right, you'll see your bill of lading, and on the left, all of the extracted data. Pretty cool, right? Now, here's where the magic happens. The Document AI has already captured most of the information accurately based on their corresponding confidence scores on the key values set. All your team has to do is quickly check and adjust any fields that the solution might have missed. Remember, the more you train the machine learning model, guess what? The smarter it gets. Soon, you're gonna barely need to make any adjustments at all. Our proprietary and NLP-based classification framework has helped customers just like Biagi Bros, a 3PL warehousing company in California in the United States, achieve over 95% straight-through processing rate with 99% data extraction accuracy from bills of lading documents. Once you've finished training the model on your sample documents, you can set up automatic email ingestion. So all you have to do is click the upload button at the top right of your screen, select the upload files option, and choose auto import documents via email. And then you're all set. You will see all the documents uploaded via email are now ingested into Docsumo and are ready for my review. Now, with Docsumo's Document AI, instead of spending hours on data entry, your operations team is only going to need to dedicate about 10% of their time to reviewing the captured data. Our OCR solution does the heavy lifting, handling a whopping 90% of the work. NS Trucking, which is one of our customers from Florida in the United States, is the aggregate hauling business, and it saves over 1,600 hours for its operations team every month. But it gets even better. They've also slashed their document processing expenses by 50% with 94% straight-through processing. Now imagine what your team could do with all of that extra time and resources. I mean, maybe you could take on more clients. You could optimize your routes. You could finally tackle that big project that you've been putting off for a long time. So I hope this walkthrough has been eye-opening, and my question for you is, are you ready to see how Docsumo can optimize your trucking and warehouse operations? Well, here's what I want you to do next. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below and book a free demo with our team. During the demo, we will dive deep into your specific needs, whether you're dealing with unique document formats, complex data extraction challenges, or maybe you're just looking to streamline your operations. We'll show you exactly how our platform can work for your niche use cases. So don't let manual data entry hold your business back any longer. Take the first step towards smoother, faster, and more accurate operations today. Thanks so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see how Docsumo transforms your business. We'll see you next time.